Hi guys, in today's lecture we'll be looking at installing drivers for the Arduino board. Now let's first understand why do we need drivers and what are these drivers. When we are working with embedded platforms like Arduino, we have a PC and we have our board. Now both these devices talk different languages and we need to ensure that both of them are talking the same language. Now what ensures that they both talk in the same language are something called as driver softwares, or they are called as drivers. Now on the Arduino board we have an IC called CP2102 IC, which is basically a USB to UART IC which helps the Arduino communicate with our PC. In this lecture we'll be looking at how to install these driver softwares. Go ahead, launch your browser and then you can look for CP2102 driver. On the page that loads up, you can click on this first link which leads to CP210X USB to UART bridge VCP drivers by Silicon Labs. You can click on that site or link. On the page that loads up, you can scroll down the page and look for downloads which is supported for Windows XP and higher versions, which are 7 and 8. Then you can click on the hyperlink out here which says download the VCP file. You can click on download and wait for your download to begin. You can save it onto your desktop. Once your file is downloaded, you can open the zip folder or you can unzip the contents and you can look for two installers basically. Then you need to check which system are you using depending upon 32-bit system or a higher one. So typically if you're using a Windows 7 system which happens to be a 32-bit, the x64 installer will do. You can double click on the installer and say run. You might need to extract all the contents first onto a desired location, and once you hit run it will ask you to whether you want to install the drivers or no. Then you can say yes. Then the installation wizard pops up. You can follow the steps until the installation is complete. You can say next, and then in the step you can say finish. So that ensures that your drivers are installed, and now when you plug in your Arduino board, you will be able to do your programming and perform the practicals. So that is it with installing the drivers required for Arduino on your Windows machine. Thank you.